No, I'm not a printer. I'm a bookbinder.
A binder. Oh, neat. So the Sears catalog really does need to be bound, doesn't it? That's a book. That thing's a book.
It certainly is. It certainly weighs a bit.
Yeah. Well, what can I do for you, Donald?
Well, along when iChat AV was introduced, it worked with AIM, AOL's Instant Messenger.
That's right.
And then it seems to be around the time of Service Pack 2, it stopped working.
It did, and you know why?
No.
Service Pack 2 turned on the Windows firewall all of a sudden.
Yeah, but I've been trying with friends that we've been chatting for a while.
Yeah.
We've turned off firewalls, disconnected routers.
Make sure the Windows firewall's turned off, because that's the biggest change in Service Pack 2 was it turned on the firewall by default. Let me think what else it could be. Well, I'll tell you what. Let's see if we can get it working here, shall we?
All right.
Are you guys up for a little ad hoc experimentation, Mike and Sean? All right. I am on a Windows machine. I've got my Logitech QuickCam hooked up. I'm going to start AOL Instant Messenger. So I'm going to be on the Windows side of it here. Let me go to Internet and AIM, and let's see. First of all, if we can even get AIM working on all that stuff. The camera is working fine. And then, are you going to be on your Mac there, Sean, over there?
I will be.
Okay. So you have iChat up and running?
Yes.
And you've got your iSight connected and everything?
I do indeed.
Okay, now I'm logging in as Call for Help. Is that something that you already are using, or are you using a different?
Nope.
Is that okay? Okay. And let me add you to my my buddy list here. Do you know who wants to have this live video? Somebody's asking to have a live video session with me. Well, let me see who this could be. Somebody's asking to be on a live video. No, I don't want AIM 5.9 for Windows. Go away. Don't you hate how all these pop-ups AIM gives you? Yeah, Windows One Care Action required. Go away. Go away. Yeah, I don't want Windows One Care Action. What is that? Is that the new sign-up thing? Jeez Louise. Are you on Windows or Mac, Donald? I bet you're a Mac guy.
I'm on a Mac. Yeah.
Why did I know? How did I know that?
I don't know.
Because you're doing publishing.
All right. I'm not publishing.
I guess I have to press upgrade now, or they won't allow me to continue. Oh my God! It wouldn't let me continue unless I upgraded AIM. Well, anyway, it was working, right? You were seeing me, weren't you?
I wasn't actually.
Oh, okay.
But this is a constant problem that we have.
Oh, this may be due to the configuration of the firewall.
Yeah, we do have a problem with this on an ongoing basis when we're setting these.
So
these
what do
things
I
up
need to do?
because of
Turn off my
firewalls.
firewall, huh?
Turn off the firewall would be a good start.
Let's start with that. So have you turned off the Windows firewall, or did you just assume, Donald, that you didn't even have a Windows firewall?
Well, I don't have a Windows firewall.
You don't, but they now
but they
the
do,
way,
and they said that they have disabled it completely.
I guess what you need to understand about instant messengering is, and firewalls in general is, and routers in particular is, in fact, it was the great Steve Gibson who gave us this analogy, and it really does work. A router is a valve. It allows outgoing traffic, but it blocks incoming traffic unless it's requested. So where you have trouble with firewalls and routers is not in making the outbound connection, what Sean just did, which was ask for a video conference. It's in making the inbound connection, in connecting in. So one thing to try is to see if they can call you. Can they call you? Can you call them? You may find that one of you can call the other person, but the other person can't call out.
Yeah, we've tried both ways.
And it won't work.
On multiple computers. Yet I can obviously connect to
hey,
iChat,
Sean!
no problem.
How are you doing, Sean? So Sean is on iChat right now. I am on AIM. Now, this is just merely to prove it can be done, Donald, so that you don't think you're going crazy, okay? So, and because it was Service Pack 2, I think it was probably that the Windows firewall got turned on. And what they're doing is saying, oh, no, we turned off zone alarm. Oh, yeah, we punched a hole in our firewall. I mean, the router is really probably the biggest issue. If you've got routers. Steve Gibson, do you want to make a comment? We're almost out of time, but do you want to make a comment?
Hamachi will fix it.
Hamachi will fix it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It'll create a tunnel that everything can pass through without any problem, and the machines will be able to see each other.
Unfortunately, he's on a Mac, so there's not a Hamachi for the Mac
not quite yet.
But there's going to be. That's something to watch for. That's a really cool VPN tunneling solution that allows you to get around routers. You establish this tunnel, and everything goes through it. The router no longer will block it. We are able to talk to each other. What I would suggest is you have your friends using Windows. Open up their connections control panel, okay, the network connections control panel. Right-click on the connection they're using to go out. It'll probably say local area connection. Go to Advanced, Windows Firewall Settings. This is in Service Pack 2. And make sure that the Windows Firewall is not on, okay?
Alrighty.
I think that if it happened when they went to Service Pack 2, that's almost undoubtedly what happened. That's the biggest change in Service Pack 2 is the Windows Firewall is turned on. Is there an exception? The problem is the ports that AIM uses, it's 50, there's 4 or 5 ports. There's a port for signaling, there's a port for the connection. It's almost impossible to forward all those
ports.
The
only thing I would really recommend to do it robustly would be to just remove the firewall from that interface while you're using. I mean, I hate suggesting it, but just get it out of the way. And of course, if you are behind a router, then that'll still give you your
still have to go
at the border.
Yeah, but the router still has to be forwarded. So
yes.
this is the